You really need to be progressing to something better than the old basic progress bar. To do this, we will start with the elements in our scene. We have the base image, the fill image, and the cover image. On the fill object in the image component, go and change the image type from simple to fill. Set the fill method to horizontal and the origin to left. That way we can fill the bar from the left to the right. And we'll use the fill amount field to let us fill the image. But to change it in the game, we'll need a progress bar script. To handle images, we need to add unityengine.ui to the top of the script. Now in the script, we can add a new image and call it img. On start, we'll get the image component from the object and set the fill amount value to 0. That means you won't see the image. We'll also create a speed variable just for us to change it in this example. And on each update, we'll add some amount to the image.fillAmount. The most important thing to remember here is the fill amount goes from 0 to 1, empty to full. As you can see, it's really easy and I don't know why more people aren't using it. It's really cool and can improve your game with a few simple steps. And if you like it, make sure to follow me because you might want to see more videos like this. Bye!